वॉइस आप है देखिए वॉइस वस्तुंది చూడు ओके ओके चलो here we have open the InDesign application. First of all, let's take with backdrop. Sir, backdrop, what is backdrop? Select it, click it and go to the Google, make it backdrop. Backside we can give the logos, that is called backdrop. The company, clients, speakers, मीडिया प्रेजेंटर्स, मीडिया पार्टनर्स, कोई तो भी हम बैक साइड पीछे देता ना, वो कोई तो भी इंटरव्यू को, कोई तो भी एग्जीबिशन को, वो पूरा उसको बैकड्रॉप्स बोलते हैं. अच्छा हिंदी में ओके. वो वी कैन से एज अ बैकड्रॉप वेर एवर वी गो टू एनी एग्जीबिशंस और एनी like any awards or any invitations or any companies like this, we can see the backdrops, just giving the information and showcasing the backdrop. Backdrop is nothing but based on the events. Okay, suppose see here, modern tool for busy traveler who want to skip the busy work, travel stop. This is one type of backdrop. This is one type of backdrop. Some backdrops will take only the logos. You have to maintain, see, only the logos of backdrops we can see like this. Okay, then how can we showcase this backdrop? How can we showcase this backdrop banners, and what are the sizes we use the backdrops? Suppose basically backdrop we have different sizes. These are the backdrop sizes: 8 by 8, 10 by 10, 10 by 20, 5 by 7. Based on the requirement, the clients will be worked. Based on the requirement, the clients will be worked. See, 20 feet by 10 feet, 10 feet by 20 feet, 10 by 10 feet. See, it's based on exactly the requirement, the based on directly its requirement. Okay, like this we can see the backdrops. Now you understand what is backdrop? That is only the particular events. The particular events we can work on backdrops. See, like this. Okay, then let's take the backdrop InDesign. Let me take with the 10 by 6 feet. Is there any feet option here? No. 10 by 120, 12 tensor, 12 tensor, 120, 12 sixer, 72. Okay, I'm just taking 12 by 6 feet of backdrop. Sir, is there any information? Let's take with background company events. Take any backdrops, awards. Let's take with Asia Pacific Annual Conference. Asia Pacific Annual Conference. Let's take this one. Can I take this content? Okay. Can I take this content? Asia Pacific to Annual Conference. Take the text tool. Asia Pacific Annual Conference. It is the conference. And what is the dates here? 25, 26 April 2022, 2023. Okay, this is the conference. And how can we keep the logos? How can we keep the logos? Suppose, and we have the Address Hyderabad. Next, what is that? And Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and let's take with one more place, Chennai. Okay, these three places. This is the content. How can you execute this project? See, we already got the text. Okay, and take the Control T, character presets, select it. Take a text tool. I type all the text elements. Select it. Here, what should I do? Take the font family. Okay, and take with normal pop-ins. Take this one and make it rectangle tool. How can you highlight the text? Take a selection and F5 the colors, or F5 is the swatches. Keep it here the text and make it the text here. E for transform controls. Transform controls E. Select the text. Zoom it. I need one BG to showcase the select the two text. Like this. Like this we can take it and remove the stroke elements. Select it and make it pop-ins, the font. And otherwise we can take it with medium style. 150. This is the highlighting the content. We already arranged the content. If you want to showcase any text, F7, Shift F7, alignment, Shift F7, alignment, take the align to page center, align to page center. Or otherwise go to the windows, we can see the alignments. Alignments. Okay, take the Shift F7 alignment. Okay, F7 alignment. I can take one more text here. Like this we can complete our work. Select these two elements, use the text decreasing, like this. And would like to create one backdrop, means any design. I can take the designs in free pick and take the abstract BG, any design. If you take this design or any design, abstract BG, we can see the abstract styles of BG. Click it here and download the design, free download. This is different. Let me download this neon lights. Right click, extract the files, double click and just double click and open Illustrator file. Open. We can see here we have a square shape and we have a rectangle shape. The two shapes we have here. And select it. Remove this design, the watermark, and make it again export JPG. Use artboards design. Automatically it is exporting. These two we have. What the free pick logo, but here we don't have. I means we removed. Let's take the image only. Don't take the design. It's take a lot of time. Just make it and work on design only. Select it and make it into the back side. Select this one and make it into a blending tool. Select this one, right click, embedded image, and select this one and make it the color. I can take a blue color. Okay, I can take a blue color. Control Shift F10, FX palette, Control Shift F10 FX palette, make it multiply, overlay. Select these two elements, take text tool and make it white color. Select this one and make it okay, and take one more backside the rectangular box and use this design, the backside, and select this one, make it opacity 50%. Anything else? We got the design, the backside, the lines, the shades, everything we got it. And select this one and go to the object, FX, drop shadow, make it drop shadow, preview, distance, offset, and make it some blur. The blur we have taken, and opacity decrease the offset, and and click it OK. See now, we got drop shadows, we got images, we got effects, we already worked with text, and we work on the abstract beaches in the backside. Everything is got, everything we got. Okay, is there any you don't know anyone what is text? Every element you know, every element, every step you know, and select it again. Take the backside of this color and make it the text color. It should be the white. Everything is clear now. So then what about the this logos, the backdrop? Speakers and media partners, we have some logos. All are in PNG format. PNG format, and take the one rectangle tool, make it white, and use corner options, corner object, corner options, rounded corners, make it rounded corners 1.5, 2. You got it? And we have a text here that is called speaker presentations. And media partners. I just taken 2. Then where is the logos? Select this tool and lock it. Control L to lock the elements. Select it and make it some rectangular boxes. Come to the properties and increase the stroke. Complete how many speakers? 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 4s are 16. 2 extra on them. How can we calculate? Four layers we are getting in the top. 3, 6. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Vertically it's 13. Minus 30. Okay. Six threes are 80. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? Four fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Four threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Okay. I can remove this one now. Delete. Okay. Like this. And where we got this duplication, Control Alt U, step and repeat. Step and repeat option. Okay. Then, sir, and media partners how many? 12. 4 threes are 12. So take this thing and use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't remove the mouse pointer and I am using arrow keys. See, if you use arrow keys, see here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 it came and come to the down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't use step and repeat. Directly use arrow keys. Automatically you can get 4 threes are 12. But you can select all the elements. Four threes are 12. I can remove these all the things. Is it clear? Okay. Sir, how can we insert all the images? First of all, take presentations, speakers, Control A, select all. Control A, select all. Huh? Yeah, we can select at a time all the things. Just drag and drop and go to the InDesign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All the elements we inserted, but all the elements is in the fitting proportionally? No. The content is fitted into the document. The image is fitted into the content? No. Control Alt Shift C. Now, Control Alt Shift C. Some elements will be there. Select it and just decrease the size. Like this. Some variations. So this is fitted and we can decrease like this. Some logos we can decrease like this. Some logos we can decrease like this. And select it. I can take I for eyedropper and make it fill black like this, or otherwise remove like this, and take this round circles. Guys, you understanding? Select it. Like this we can create the, select all the elements into the links palette, right click, embedded. and I can take this all the elements and I can increase like this. That means we have a space now. Like this I can take it. Now media partners, come to the media partners, control a select all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Select all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And select all the elements, Control Alt Shift C. Control Alt Shift C. That is called proportional scaling. Take a text. Control Alt Shift C, fill frame proportionally. Fill frame proportionally. Okay, that is very important. And automatically then you can select this file and you can decrease the file. Backdrop completed. Like this the backdrop will be highlighted. And if you would like to highlight the media partners, select it. And select all the elements and use Control Shift D. Control Shift D. The palettes of right click, embedded link. Images will be linked. Control S save. This is called backdrop. Design. I would like to export, make it export JPG, file export, or otherwise go to Control E, export, make it JPG and select it, backdrop, save. And the resolution will be 150 for only for visible purpose. And if you want to print this file, go to the export, Control E, export. Oh, it's loading. One second. Now go to the file export or Control E, export, and go to the PDF, print, export. We have two PDFs here. One is interactive PDF, second one is print PDF. I'll showcase you the work. See, this is a PDF print we have done now. It's loading. The KB it's not came. What is the size of backdrop? 6.02 MB. वो बहुत फाइल हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा फाइल. The file is very big. What should I do? I have to compress the file, but the quality should not be decrease. Then Control A, export. Adobe PDF print is the common, but make it interactive. PDF interactive is nothing but compressing the file, but the quality is not decreasing. Take it the save. No. select it and make it export. The quality it's not decreased. See here, anything decreasing? No. Now come to here, see the size of backdrop. What is the size of this? 6 MB. What is the size of this? 1.14. Which one is good? Some cases we use main PDF, some cases we use completely this interactive. Is it clear? This is backdrop, friends. Okay. Now to creating the newspaper designing. Okay, what's the newspaper size? Let's take the size of newspaper. Newspaper design sizes will be 749 by 597 and it is at 29.5 by 23.5. That is called a broadsheet. We call as a broadsheet. 29.5. This is the standard definition. 29.5. The standard dimension of newspaper is the standard newspaper is 29.5 by 29.5. What is that? Width. This is called height. In printing, particularly in the printing of full-size newspaper in North America, a broadsheet is typically but not always. The dimensions may vary slightly, usually results for efforts to save money. Okay, this we call as a broadsheet pattern. Come to here, the standard dimension for a newspaper is width 29.7, 29.5 inches, height 23.5 inches, that we call as a broadsheet paper. Okay, come to here, take control and new document and use 29.5, create new document. And the height is secondary, but the width is standard. Okay, this is the newspaper. We have started the paper. And sir, let's take with any newspaper design samples. We have so many newspaper designs. Okay, newsman. Okay, we'll take one. First of all, one object, rectangular object. Now create, take a text tool. The Hindu. The Hindu. Okay. And basically what we have, some dummy content we have, and upon we have some text. And we have a strip. The addition. Is it clear? Then what should I do? Sir, first of all, when you're taking this one to create a columns, layouts, margins and columns. Margins and come to here and make it 2, 3, 4. 4 columns I created, and in between we call as a gutter. In between we call as gutter the spacing between, and here I am just taking some ads. Taking one ad here, and I need a dummy content. Where we can get the dummy content? From lorem ipsum Control T and make it 14, the font style. Use the fonts Times New Roman, this type of font, or otherwise if you want to change the font, make it Poppins. That is your wish. Okay, and these are the fonts. Control C copy and Control V paste. We have taken this one, and we have some elements, the highlights. The text, we can take it here directly. And the text, it is into the not a proper right side. What should I do? Take paragraph palette using with control. Justification Control Shift J. Then how can we get this paragraph palette? Shortcut Control M. Remove the hyphenates. And make it the text. And select the text elements. like this and just taken the add. You can take a frame ads. And I can take a circle ad here. Inside of the circle ad, here I can take the again the rectangular ad on the top of the area. So how can we insert the images? We already got almost the paper design. Okay, the main thing is margins and columns and working with the objects what we have created here. But how can we fit the images? Control D. We can take one image. Is it clear? Then what about this? Control D. And select it, Control D, make it. And again Control D. Control D. And use Control D to insert the images. Sir, but the text is missing now here. Here the text is missing, the back side. How can we take the circles, the text? Telugu Cinema Edition. See here the ads, how we can take it. Okay, the text you can place it no. Okay, the text it is here and here. The text is C, and you can take the image. You can take it inserting like this. Okay, and I can take the text. Okay, and just take it the continuation here from here. Then how can the continuation will be there? Select it and delete this one. Only the text box we have here. Select this one and click it. delete this one, select this one and just hold it and drag it. The continuation. We got it. If you adjust this one, automatically the content will be adjusted. That means the same content. Any doubt on this one? Then what about this? You can see some areas with the round circles. The quality is not there, but the wrapping option we can see here. The wrapping. See here, the wrapping. Through circle wise how the content is moving. Select it, the two elements. Okay, select it and use Ctrl Alt W text wrap. Write it down. Ctrl Alt text wrap. Text wrapping. Select the two elements, this one and this one, and make it yes, wrap around the bounding boxes, and this is the wrap around the object shape. But object shape has been happened. Select this one. You got it? If you move this one, keep it one side or both sides, both right and left side. Only right side means right side will come. Only left side means left side will come. Both right and left means right and left. Most probably right side we are giving means right side. Okay, this is called the sizes. And here one more thing is there. Suppose there is an image here, that is a PNG. This is the PNG, and select it. I am just importing here as a PNG and I am just placing here. I need the shape like this. The content should be moved like as a with a shape wise. This is a round. Then what about this? How can you create this one? Select it and make it pen tool and make it a sample. Sample the path. Select this path and make it rounded bar. Make it rounded bar. Select it and increase the size of the text. You got it? Select this image and select this wrap both. Ctrl G group. Ctrl G group and select it the wrap and remove the stroke also. No need to visible the stroke, no. Now you got the wrapping option. The wrapping is very important. Okay. And select this one. If you want to take any wrappings, select it and just keep it into the box of the area. Keep it here. Make it the content. Select the two things and make it Ctrl Alt W text wrap. This one is the jump object. First line to last line. This is the next paragraph. Mainly we use wrap rounding object from left side to left side or right side to right side. And select the object, automatically you can adjust. And select this one, the wrapping, and increase the text. This is the a paper design. Exactly, you can take your wrappings, you can take the text, you can take the columns, you can take the margins, and you can take the images also, that you can do a better design. Okay, this is called newspaper design desktop, and make it JPG. And what about the book design, guys? What is book size? A4 is the newspaper designing. Is it clear? Then what about the book design? Select the area, take the new document and make it A4, print, and I can take the A4 size and click it, create the A4 page. You can create the A4 page here and select it and make it book design. What is the book design? Where is the content? Suppose I can take the content from same lorem ipsum. First of all, let me take the title. No, the title is there, and what the title we have taken with the backdrop here, and check the title. This is the Asia Pacific Annual Conference. Asia Pacific Annual Conference. This is the content, and make it font Poppins bold. This is the content. Okay, and make it the text 22 April 22 to 27 2023, where it is London, UK. London, UK. Okay, basically the content is there, and we can take the content from here also. Control C, copy, and come to here, make it the paste. Hello, ఒక్క నిమిషం. వచ్చింది నేను చేస్తాను, నేను మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. Select the content and make it the size 14, and take the text layer, select the text, and I can delete the text here. The dummy content we have taken, and here we have taken some name, something, enter. What is my designation? Senior graphic and UI UX designer. Okay, where I from? I'm from. This is the event we are creating here, India. Okay, this is name and affiliation. Name and affiliation. It should be the highlighted, no? Some like make it Poppins. This is Poppins medium. This is 14. The font and font families are important. Then where is the title? Which topic we are creating? Which topic we are creating here? Take the event conference titles. TechX. My title is TechX finding the root of uh, 2.0 version in worldwide. This is my title. Title should be highlighted now. I'm just giving 18. This is. Suppose I given the title is there and my affiliation is there, okay, and my content is there, my description is there. Then where is my biography? Okay, let me take some content here. Biography, and I need a, don't press enter, use some paragraph 3 mm. Is it clear? And select this one and make it like this. My mail ID. Mail ID should be highlighted now. It should be in the blue color. Make it text, make it selected the text and make it some blue color. And it should be highlighted now. It should be in the and make it some boldness. The book created or not? Anything else? This is the book. Sir, I would like to give some highlighted text on here. Take this one. Okay. Select this one. Control X, cut. Go to the pages and make it. What is this? Master page. Select all the things. Select this one and create F5 swatches palette and make it the stroke none. Select the two layers and make it white. Okay, this is the thing. Book design. Is it clear? Select it and make it go to the first page. Select it and make it, the size will be 12. Like this is the version. If you want to take a second page, take a second page, remove the facing pages, Control Shift P, it is common, and I can take Control C copy, Control Alt Shift V, Control Alt Shift V, Control Alt Shift V. See how many pages? You can change the content and you can place the Text. Sir, where is the cover page? Right click, insert pages, before page, before first page. We created one thing. Sir, I would like to remove from this page only. This one should be removed into this particular page. But if I remove in the master page, it will remove all the pages. Is it clear? Is it right? No. Sir, keep it into the master page, but select here and I need to remove this particular page. Hold control and click it. Hold shift plus control and click it and delete. Now see the second page, see the third page, see the fourth page and see the fifth page. It will be visible and it will be locked. Why means it is into the master page. Select it and check it. And select it and make it the colors. I need to create some cover page, the book cover page. Let me take the cover page and go to the things, free pick and cover design, free vector. Can I take anything? Can I take this one? This one? Huh? Green. Right click, extract all. I can extract directly. Remove the delete, 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 delete. Control and new document. Take A4 and select A4 and make it portrait and create document. Delete. Delete. I can take this one directly as a PNG, or otherwise I can take this one as a EPS. See, the background is not, there is no background, it is empty background. File, save as, desktop, PG, cover. Can I take directly the EPS format? Use artboard, save. This is backup file, this is main file. And come to here, take directly the file and just click it on the page. Click it directly and select it, Ctrl Alt H, the output file. Ctrl Alt H, display performance. High quality display, Ctrl Alt H. High quality display of image. Image in the document. Is it clear? Okay. Select this one and make it any image in the back side. I told there is a relevant image of relevant image of the title, means the title means the area of the title, Asia Pacific Annual Conference, or otherwise what the conference image is going on, you can keep it to the cover, or otherwise you can take London UK images. Then I can go directly the London city attractions. Which one is famous here? The London is famous and London Bridge is famous, and this, click it once, this one is famous, London Bridge is famous. Can I take this one? Save, desktop, Control C, copy, Control V, paste, and keep the image in the back side of the layer. And take the content of the master page, select and make it here, Control V, paste, make it logo here. Okay, if you need any our website, select this one and remove. Conferences.com. conferences@gmail.com. Now see the first page, second page, third page. So I don't want the first page with the title, this one, this is the color page, and I need a black and white page. Select this one and make it, Control Shift, select this one and make it the color, the black. See, and make it 000 80% black. I need this strip, select this all the things, Control G, group, Control C, and I need to take alternate pages. I don't want this one, delete, delete, Control Alt Shift D. Control C, copy, one color page, one black and white page, one color page, one black and white page, and Control S, save, Control E, export, and it is more pages, 100 pages, 200 pages, it will be there. So that's why what should I do? Take a desktop and make it PDF interactive, more pages, no, PDF interactive, select it and save the book file, all pages, select it and export. Need outs. Like this we can create the pages. All the text layouts, backdrop with the logos and images we work, and see, come to here, we work with backdrop design, We use it with logos, images, animations. See, sorry. Select it and make it. One second, it is minimizing. Take it image file. The text, we use shadows, the text elements, the logos, and the background design. Okay, and come to the this newspaper design. We use the content with the text wrapping concepts here. Okay, and come to here. Here we are using the book design, using with master pages and the text controlling, and completely you can check it. Thank you from my side. Okay, please be practice. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you, guys.